Good morning children, hope you all good. This is English subject. In this class we are going to see worksheet number 1 key answers. In last class I have sent you on PDF worksheet activity worksheet 1. Hope you all have written that answer. And now we will see key answers. If you what you have written, if it is correct, no problem. If it is wrong, erase that and write down once again. Okay. Worksheet the tortoise and the geese activity worksheet 1. Now we'll see answers. Fill in the blanks. First one, once upon a time a dash lived in a tank. Who was living? Tortoise. Write down with pencil properly, neatly you have to write. Second one, the dash and dash started drying. In dash you have to write tanks and rivers. Third one, take me to a dash place 2. Here you have to write safer. Fourth one, geese could they take him to a more dash land flying slowly while holding the two ends of the stick. In dash you have to write fertile. See that spellings and write down properly. I'll send you PDF. See that PDF and write down. Now fifth one, opposite to intolerance. It is tolerance. Sixth one, dash promise he won't open his mouth. Tortoise. After that, first main is over. Now second main, make own sentences. What you have made own sentences, it should be it should give proper meaning and it should correct. If it is correct, no problem. If you feel it is wrong, write down these own sentences. First one, amazed. Answer, children were amazed to see varieties of birds in the zoo. Second one, commented, my teacher commented that my writing is very good. Third main, separate the subject from the predicate and write them in separate columns. I have said you to make one column on table. I hope you have done that. Now we'll see. First one, the tourist shook the boy's hand. For this we'll see answer. First one, in this the tourist is subject. You have to write in subject part. Now shook the boy's hand, it is predicate. Yes, hope you all have done in this way only. Second one, he had two geese as his friends. In this, he is subject, had two geese as his friends. It is predicate. You have to write in predicate part. Third one, the baby birds are in the nest. In this, which is subject? Yes, the baby birds, it is subject, are in the nest is predicate. Fourth one, the driver washed the car. In this, the driver is subject, wash the car is predicate. Fifth one, Sunil kicked the ball. Sunil is naming word. So, Sunil is subject, kick the ball, it is predicate. Subject means naming part, predicate means telling part. You all know, no? We have read this before only. Now third main it is completed. Fourth main, write opposites. First one, poor. Answer is rich. Second one, opened, closed. Third one, die, live. Fourth one, fertile, barren. Fifth one, foolishness, cleverness. After that, after completing this, you have to take signature from your parents. Okay, hope you all have understand.